In this video, I'll show you how to fix your mic's problem on your Quest 3S. In case they stopped working, I'll share with you a few different tips. The first one is to make sure that the holes of the mics are staying clear. They're very small, so if something covers them, unfortunately, they can get blocked easily. So take a small tool, could be a toothbrush. I got this, okay, it's to clean the ports of my iPhone, but it works well with the Quest as well. And simply make sure there's nothing blocking. Lint, dirt, dust can accumulate there quite easily. And just by doing this, okay, once you've done this, try out and hopefully the mics are now working on your Quest 3S. If you're still having issues, I recommend doing a full reboot. This will not delete anything. You just need to find the power button and keep press on it 30 seconds. Do not release it even if you see the light blinking, whatever. 30 seconds, then release the button. It will restart. And hopefully when it comes back alive, the mics will work as they should. If this didn't solve your issue, well, it could be a software problem. And I have two tricks for that. One of them is to enable and make sure that the app that is not working properly with your mics have the permission of recording. And the second thing that I want to show you is how to reset the mic. To do this, I need to wear the headset, so let's get... All right, so first, go into the settings. Once settings open, in this left side menu over here, you're going to find audio. Click on audio, and the first option should be mute mic. Well, make sure it's not muted. And unmute. Okay, this will activate, deactivate the mic, and this will reset the mic, and hopefully, it will work after doing this. Now let me show you how to allow an app to have access to the mic, or maybe they didn't have access, so this is why you were not hearing anything. So from this settings menu, okay, same place, you're going to go down and select privacy and safety. You're going to have app permissions. Click on app permissions. You're going to have mic. Press on mic. And here will be all your apps and games. You need to give permission to these apps to use the mic. If not, nothing will work. So let's say you had a game over here that your mic wasn't working. Well, simply enable it. Or if you want all the apps to have access to your mic, enable all the apps this way. After doing this, I always suggest you do a restart of the headset so the settings are registered. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, comment which trick worked for you, or if you have another trick, please let me know. I'm sure it will be useful to somebody. Like, subscribe. To support my channel, check my Amazon links down below, and I'll see you in the next video.